Hi, I'm Carolyn Smith, principal at Farnsley Middle School, and we are the home of 1,150 Farnsley Wildcats, and we're so glad that you chose to join us today. Farnsley is one of the district's 3 math and science technology magnet programs, which means that our students are engaged daily in hands-on learning activities that focus on the area of math, science, and technology. We are also one of 11 Verizon Innovative Learning Schools within the district, which also means that we are working to bridge the digital divide for all of our students by equipping them with the technology they need to be successful in and outside of the classroom. Our school has the Advanced Placement Program as well as the Gifted and Talented Services. Both of these programs are rigorous opportunities to continue to challenge and move our students into uncharted territory.
My favorite thing about Farnsley is that the students are nice and the teachers are really nice, and we always get to do fun activities.
If you're good at academics, we have a lot of academics here. If you're good at sports, we have a lot of variety of sports here. Our teachers are not just based on the whole class, they're based on you, and they want to focus on how you are. And everyone, the staff, the lunchroom, everyone's focused on you and trying to pursue you to be a better person.
At Farnsley, they have really good teachers, and the teachers always they work hard to help you achieve your goal. And the teachers, they don't tell you what you do wrong first. They tell you what you do right, and they tell you how to fix what you did wrong. So I think that's a really cool thing.
I'm the kind of person that accepts the challenge instead of giving up right away. And I think this school is a good place for people who like to be challenged.
My goal as the principal is not to only focus on preparing every student with the skill to be a lifelong learner while reaching proficiency and beyond, but to equip our students to exercise their voice and to become leaders in our community based on their interests and passions. Sometimes students come to us in different situations and stages, and our desire is to move them all forward. I recognize that the middle school years can be very challenging for students and families. Our goal is to provide adequate resources, nurture, and guidance to make these years the best in promoting proper adolescent development and growth. This in turn will help them properly transition to high school, higher learning, and other endeavors they wish to pursue. We are Farnsley Middle School, and we are JCPS.